hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam, khammagani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, and today we are talking about Sprint 10 series for ICSE boards, and the topic for today is mensuration. Right? So, a very easy topic that we are going to discuss today. Some questions which we are going to solve. We have done this topic again in the Omang series as well as in the one shot video. So, again, we are going to solve some questions which are very important considering your exams point of view. All right, so let us start the class. So this was your homework question which I gave you in the last class. All right, so this question is that PQ is a tangent to the circle at R. Okay, PQ is a tangent to the circle at R. So yes, PQ is a tangent to the circle at R over here. Calculate angle PRS and angle ROT given O is the center of the circle and angle TRQ is 30 degree. अब बेटा देखो, see clearly I know कि sir angle at the point of contact, the radius at the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent. So angle ORQ will be 90 degree. Alright, if angle ORQ is 90 degree, I can say that sir, if this portion is 30 degree, the remaining portion from here to here will be equal to 60 degree. As simple as that. And then I know OR and OT are equal. So in triangle ORT, if it is 60 degree, this is also 60 degree. So if two angles are 60 degree, by angle sum property, this angle will also be equal to 60 degree. So we have got the value of angle ROT as 60 degree. Okay, simple. This angle is 90. So if this part is 30, this is 60. Then I know OR and OT are equal to each other. So OR and OT are equal. So if it is 60, then this will also be 60 isosceles triangle. Then by angle sum property, the third angle is also 60 degree. Now I want angle PRS. अब देखो बेटा, if I want to know the value of angle PRS, again see, if that part is 90, all right, I know OR and OS are equal to each other. If it is 60, the remaining part is 120. The remaining part is 120. So I can say remaining angles of this angle and this angle must be equal. Or by angle SRT is a 90 degree because angle at the semicircle. So if that part is 60, this will be 30. If it is 30, this is also 30. Very easy. Correct. So I can say, so this angle also must be 90 degree. So if this part is 30, the remaining part, this one, angle PRS, will be equal to 60 degree. So it is just playing with the angles. Very easily you can get the answer. So angle PRS will be 60 degree and angle ROT will be equal to 60 degree. Both are equal to 60 degree only. Alright. In both the cases, your answer is 60 degree. Okay. PRS as well as ROT both are equal to 60 degrees. Alright. Now, in today's class, we'll be talking about three major shapes: cylinder, cone, and the other thing is combination of both. Alright, as you all know, sphere has been removed from your part. So cylinder and cone will be talking about, and then the combination of these solids problem. Alright, so we are right now over here at mensuration. Next will be trigonometry. 2 sessions we are going to take for that, then statistics and then probability. Alright, then physics schedule, this is your chemistry schedule, this is your biology, SST and English schedule over here. Alright, now let us start with a good quote. The quote is, winners are not people who never fail, but people who never quit. Alright, so that means whenever you see a successful person, it doesn't mean that they have never seen failure in their life. Every successful person has seen a huge failure in their life. Okay, they have been through many failures. All right, so always remember, never quit. Failure is a part of life, but if you'll be persistent enough, okay, if you'll be never losing your hope, and if you'll keep working towards your goal, if you'll never quit, you are definitely going to get your success. All right, now let's start the class. So the first question is this: the volume of a right circular cylinder is equal to volume of that of a right circular cone whose height is 108 centimeter and diameter of base is 30 centimeter. If height of the cylinder is 9 centimeter, what is the diameter of its base? So see, I know they have given me volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cone. These two things are given equal to me. Alright, volume of cylinder will be pi into radius I don't know into height is 9, and volume of cone will be 1 by 3 into pi into radius. See, diameter of the base is 30, so radius will be 15 square into height is 108. ठीक है, shift देखो, this pi to pi got cancelled, shift 9 in denominator, r square is 15 square into 108, और 15 square I can write as 225 ना, ठीक है, 15 square we can write it as 225. Chalo. All right, because this is at the end will get cancelled. So 225 into 108 upon 9 into 3. Okay, so 9 if I'll get cancelled, 9 ones are 9 twos are, and 3 ones are 3 fours are. So r square is 225 into 4 is 900. That means r is equal to 30 centimeter. But don't make answer A as the correct one, because the question is specially asking you diameter of the base. So diameter will be double of radius, which is 2 into 30, which means 60 centimeter. So this is the mistake which many of us make. Always remember, keep a thing in your head that what the question is asked. Question is asked diameter of the base. So always focus at the end I have to write the answer in form of the diameter. All right. Now next question. Next question is, the radius of the base of a right circular cylinder is halved, keeping the height same. Then the ratio of the volume of the cylinder thus obtained to the volume of original cylinder. So we have original cylinder. Let's say volume of original. This is the original cylinder. Now what we have done, keeping the height same, we have made the radius half. What we have done, keeping the height same, we have made the radius half. All right. So let us say here the radius is r. Now here the radius is r by 2. Height is same, h only. Okay. So let's say it is cylinder 1 and it is cylinder 2. So it's asking me the ratio of the volume of the new cylinder to the original cylinder. So volume of the second cylinder upon volume of the first cylinder, we have to find it out. So volume of second cylinder will be pi into r by 2 whole square into h divided by pi into r square into h. So finally pi to pi get cancelled, h to h got cancelled, r square and r square will get cancelled. 1 by 2 whole square will become 1:4. So option C will be your correct answer, as simple as that. Alright, option C will be your correct answer. Right, next question now. Find the volume of a cone whose slant height is 17 and radius is 8. Ab dekho, by for volume of the cone, we know we need to find out the height. Slant height is given as 17, radius is given as 8. So I can clearly say slant height L square is equal to h square plus r square. So 17 square is equal to h square plus 8 square. So 289 minus 64, if we'll do h square is 225, so h will be 15. Okay. Now you must be started remembering these pairs, right? So h will be equal to 15. So if h is equal to 15, I can say volume of the cone will be equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 into pi, radius is 8 into 8 into h is 15. Solve this part, you will get your answer as 1005.71. Okay, 1005.71 centimeter cube, because volume is cubic units. Alright, so centimeter cube will be your answer. Next question. A cylindrical container with internal radius of its base 10 centimeter contains water up to a height of 7 centimeter. Find the area of the wetted surface of the cylinder. Now it's a very good question. Many students will feel that here it's an easy question, but there is a small trick which is there inside this question. See, we have a cylindrical container. Alright, we have a cylindrical container, let us say like this. Okay, of radius of its base is 10 centimeter. ठीक है, alright, and height of 7 centimeter. Okay, sir, done. A bit of what happened is we have filled water inside this up to a height of 7 centimeter. ठीक है, water is filled up to a height of 7 centimeter. ठीक है, water is filled up to a height of 7 centimeter. That means कि भाई the container may be of larger height. Container की height ज़्यादा हो सकती है. Okay, container height can be more. Let's say we have filled water up to this height, 7 centimeter. Water is filled up to this height. ठीक है. So now they are asking the wetted surface. तो देखो बेटा, एक तो wet surface में I can say this curved surface of the cylinder is wetted up to a height of 7 centimeter. So this curved surface is wetted one. अब देखो at the bottom also, the bottom is also wetted ना. Bottom is also wet. So I can say, sir, the required surface or the wetted surface will be equal to 2 pi RH CSA plus the area of bottom, which is pi r square. So neither I have used the formula of CSA only or TSA only. I have used CSA plus the area of bottom. So it is very important to visualize. Alright, so 2 into pi into radius is 10 into height is 7 plus pi into radius is 10 square. Alright, so 7 to 7 got cancelled, 440 plus, if I make it 3.14, around 314 will be there. So they have taken common, so 754.29. Okay, solve this part also, 3.14 something. So you are getting finally how much? 754.29. 754.29. And if you take it as 3.14, but here 22 by 7, here 3.14, take both the ways to 3.14, 2200 by 7 if you'll do. So you'll get 314 point something you'll get. Solve that. Alright. So finally your answer will be 754.29. 3414.29. ठीक है. Alright. Next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या होगा देखो बेटा. अच्छा हाँ, बिफोर आई मूव अहेड फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग बेटा, देखो वेदांतु प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन is right now available at 50% off, which is a very good deal right now. So let me tell you first all the features which you are getting in this part, then I'll tell you the price, and you'll be very happy to see that the prices are really very low compared to the subjects which we are offering, or the features which are offered in that course. So first thing beta, remember this thing, you can attend unlimited live classes. You can attend as many live classes as you want, as many live classes as you want, and all the live classes are going to be filled with fun and high level quizzes. The next thing, when you will be in the class, the students will be from all over the world, so you'll be able to see where do you stand. So you'll be able to compete with students all over the world, which you will not get in any other part. All right. The third thing is, suppose if you miss your class because of some reason, in that case, many students feel it boring to just watch the recording. They want to attend the quiz also. They want to see their name in the leaderboard. So all that can be done in Vedantu's Pro course, even while watching the recording by interactive replays, in which you will be able to answer the quizzes and you will be able to see your name in the leaderboard as well. All right. After that, whatever I'm teaching, that will be downloadable as notes. You can download that as notes and keep it, okay, for your future revision part and all. Then if suppose you are getting doubts, obviously doubts will be there. So your doubts will be answered by a dedicated teacher who will take care of your doubts, and there will be tests in a periodical time and the session assignments after each and every session. All these features you are getting. Other than that, all the micro courses, there are around 5,000 plus micro courses on very small topics, all the individual topics, those as well as the crash courses are free of cost to you. No need to pay anything extra. So as you can clearly see, less is more. Now the price is going to be more or less, because right now we have 50% off. All right. So remember this thing, it is a limited period offer. It can end on any time. Okay. So the link is mentioned in the description box of this video as well as in the pinned comment. For example, suppose this is the video over here. What you can do is, see in the pinned comment, you can see the link over here, or you can go to the description box and subscribe to Vedantu Pro now. Here also the link is shown over here. Just click on that link. All right, select your grade 10th. Now if you are from CBSE, click on CBSE. If you are from ICSE, click on ICSE. Suppose ICSE 2021. All right, click on proceed to pay, and then you'll reach over here. Enter coupon code by apply GPE Pro. Click on apply, and you can see directly 50% off it is showing. So very important thing right now, the time, I don't know when this offer will be ending, so be quick, as soon as possible you can go for it. All right, now once you will be taking the classes, once you have joined the Vedantu Pro subscription, this is how you will be able to see your classes. Okay, these are the upcoming classes. Then if you'll go for the previous past one, in the past classes, you will be able to see the notes. See here, click on get notes, and you will be able to see the notes of the classes, and in that in teacher's own handwriting. See, this is my own handwriting which I have taken. All right, so all this you'll be able to do in your own, in the download the notes. Next thing, you can watch the replay. This is the replay. Now if you want to watch the replay with the quizzes and all, click on try alternate replay, and now you will be in your student algorithm, where you will be able to see the options over here. Click on the options and all that. All right, So all this will be available to you. GPE Pro is your coupon code to get 50% off. To get 50% off. So don't waste a lot of time. Be quick as soon as possible. Join this because this 50% off is only a limited period offer. All right. Next question is a heap of wheat. Heap means the wheat is like stored at one place, so the heap it will form now. So a heap of wheat is in the form of a cone of diameter 16.8 meter and height 3.5 meter. So it is in the form of a cone. Okay, it is in the form of a cone whose diameter is 16.8 meter and height is 3.5 meters. All right, find its volume. So volume is very easy, beta. 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 pi is 22 by 7. See, 16.8 is the diameter. So radius will be 8.4 into 8.4 pi r square into h. Height is 3.5. Alright. So you can say do the cancellation. 3 and 8.4 will get cancelled. Then 7 will also get cancelled. 12 sevens are 84. So 1.2 times this will be 1.2 times this will be 3 2 2 sa 2.8 times, and then 2.8 into 1.2 into 22 into 2.8 into 1.2 into 3.5 will give you your answer. So you can calculate it. Your volume will be around 258.72 meter cube. Okay, volume is around 258.72 meter cube. Okay, calculation you can do on your own. Ab dekho, second thing they are asking, what they are asking me is how much cloth is required to just cover the heap. So if I have to cover it, I have to cover the curved surface. If I have to cover this beta, you can clearly see I have to cover the curved surface of this cone. So the cloth required, I can say the cloth required will be equal to CSA of the cone, and CSA of the cone is nothing but pi r L. Ab L I don't know. So I know L is equal to square root of r square plus h square, that is square root of 8.4 whole square plus h is 3.5 whole square. So 8.4 and 3.5, okay, do the square of it, add them, so you will be getting 7s are 13, 7s are 9.1 meter. Okay, 9.1 meter. 9.1 meter will be your slant height. Exact you will get. So now the cloth required will be pi into r into L. Bus. Solve these two, you will get your answer in the meter square. That will be 240.24. 240.24 meter square. Just simplify them. All that you can do. Alright. So this is how this question will be solved. So main thing is understanding the application where I am going to apply the CSA, where I am going to apply TSA, where I am going to apply volume. That application is very important. Next question. A solid cone of height 8 cm and base radius 6 cm is melted and recasted. So see, melting and recasting, I have told you whenever we'll be doing the melting and recasting, the only thing is the amount of material remains same. Whatever was the amount of material before melting, same will be the amount of material after melting. So volume will remain same. So a solid cone of height 8 cm and base radius 6 cm is melted and recasted into identical cones, each of height 2 cm and diameter 1 cm. Alright, so we have a solid cone, big cone of height 8 and radius 6. Okay, something like this. Let's say radius is 6, height is 8. This is converted into identical cones, equal cones of each one of height 2 centimeter and diameter 1 centimeter. So how many cones are formed? Let us say n cones are formed. N cones are formed. So I can say that, sir, volume of this one large cone before melting is equal to volume of n small cones, because amount of material remains same. So volume of this large cone will be pi into r square. Sorry, 1 by 3 into pi into r. Radius is 6 square into h is 8. And here, by see, volume of one cone will be 1 by 3 into pi. Radius is 1 by 2. R square into h is 2. Into, since there are n small cones, so multiply with n. All right, now pi to pi get cancelled, 1 by 3 to 1 by 3 get cancelled, this 2 to this 2 got cancelled. So you have got 6 into 8, and this 1 2 also will shift over there, is equal to n. So 6 6 are 36, into 2 will be 72, 72 into 8 will be n is equal to 72 into 8, 8 to the 16 power 1, it's 156 plus 157, 576. All right, so n equal to 576 will be your correct answer. Simple. So we have to compare the volume, very important thing. These are the important questions. Compare the volume whenever the melting and recasting is being done. All right, next question. A circus tent is cylindrical to a height of 4 meter and conical above it. Okay, so a circus tent is there which is cylindrical up to a height of 4 meter like this, and it is conical above it. So above it, it is conical like this. All right. If its diameter is 105 meter, diameter is 105 meter, and slant height is 80 meter. Slant height is 80 meter. देखो, cone and cylinder both will have the same diameter, right? Slant height is 80 meter. Calculate the total area of canvas required. Also, find the total cost of canvas used at rupees 15 per meter if the width is 1.5 meter. So first, let us see the total area of canvas required. So I can say, sir, the canvas required will be equal to, first thing, the canvas will be required in the CSA of the cone, and then the canvas will be required in the CSA of the cylinder as well. Obviously, bottom and top of the cylinder, at the bottom of the cylinder there is ground. Top though will be kept open. So only CSA of the cone and CSA of the cylinder we need the canvas. CSA of cone is pi into r. Radius is 105 by 2 into L is 80 plus CSA of cylinder is pi 2 pi RH, 2 pi, radius is 105 by 2 into H, H is 4. So I can take pi, then 105 by 2 common. So I am left with, here I am left with 80, and here I am left with 2 into 4, which is equal to 8. So we are left with pi 22 by 7 into 105 by 2 into 88. So it is 11 times, and this is 7 ones are 7, 15 times. 15 into 88 if you will do. All right, so 11 into 132 4 if I'll do 60. So now it will become equal to 0 2 5 4 1 14520 centimeter meter square. 14520, let me check. 14520, 14520, yes, 14520 meter square will be your correct answer. This much canvas is required. All right, now the cost, the total cost of canvas used at rupees 15 per meter if the width is 1.5 meters. So देखो, अब I know this much area of canvas, this much area of canvas is required. Now this canvas you are getting from this kind of sheet, this kind of sheet, okay, this kind of sheet, whose length we have to decide according to the area we want, but the width is 1.5 meter. Okay, I know I want total 14520 meter square of cloth, so I can say by length into the width of the canvas sheet from where we are getting canvas should be equal to 14520. Yes or no? So I can say L is equal to 14520 upon 1.5. Remove this decimal upon 100. So done 35, remainder 10. 90, 12, 9680 meters. This much 9680, yes, 9680 meters is the length of the cloth required. If I take the length of this canvas cloth as 9680 meter, where the width is 1.5 meter, then the total area of that canvas required will be 14520. So now the cost is what? rupees 15 per meter. Per meter. How much meter of cloth I require? 9680. So rupees 15 into 9680 will be your correct answer. So 9680 into 59 will do. So I think it will 145,200. I think this 1,45,200 will be the answer. हाँ 1,45,200 will be your answer. ठीक है, तो ये वाला part बेटा please understand this thing. भाई see, I got to know I need 14520 meter square of the cloth. Now this cloth you are getting from भाई जब देखो ऐसा cloth किस shape में है? So this cloth you are getting in the form of in a rectangular sheet where the length you can take as much as you want, but the width is fixed as 1.5 meter. So I told that the total area of this canvas sheet should be equal to 14520. Width is fixed. Let us see how much length is required to make the area 14520 meter square. So I found the length as 9680 meter. That means 9680 meter of length of this cloth I have to take. So that area of this canvas is 14520, which I can use to make the tent. Okay. Now the cost is 15 per meter. So I need rupees 9680 meters of cloth. So 9680 into 15, which is 145,200 rupees. 1,45,200 is the price. Alright, beta. So this is how these are some of the questions. Very easy topic. Okay. This is your homework question. Do let me know what will be your answer for the homework question. Very easy question it is. Alright. So try to think here also the cloth is required. Cost is also involved over here. So try to see how this kind of question can be solved. Now the next topic I'm going to next class will be of trigonometry. So I'll be starting trigonometry. So be prepared for it and do let me know what will be the answer for the homework question. Alright. One more thing better. GPE Pro is your coupon code to get 50% off. 50% off, and it includes all the subjects which I have told you. Rupees 1349.5 is the price for 1 month for all subjects. And it is way less than any of your home tuitions also. Way less than that. Alright. So even if you will take suppose 5 to 6 classes every day, your per class price will be rupees 6.7. That is only rupees, that is less than rupees 7. Way less than the packet of Lays as well. Alright. So beta, this is all from my side. Thank you so much for coming to the session. Please don't forget to like the video. It won't take much time. Just click on the like button and share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thank you so much, bachon. I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Sayonara, Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.